a jet. Woohoo! Wow! Look at that, people. Ah! The rain. Oh my god. Wow! Guys, this camera's gonna get damaged. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. I'll stay here, but I'm gonna take a break because it's getting really rainy out here. Oh my god. Bye, jet! Oh, I'm gonna get sick out here. But you know what? That's how much I love YouTube so much, where I will do it for any type of weather. There's no day to take some Instagram photos. Oh my god. Now this is cool. This one's gonna take off. Come on, plane. Let's go. That's the one that went upside down, I think. Maybe not. What are you doing? Wow. Alright, this video will be titled Loop-de-Loops or something, because I saw a lot of aerobatics going on today. Even on a rainy day, there's still aircraft out, which I think is kind of cool. Wow. I hope my camera won't get damaged, guys, because it is starting to rain again. I'm gonna go to my car. I think it's starting to get nasty again. It is definitely aerobatic. It's a U.S. Air Force plane. God, it has to rain. Oh, lordy.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Alright, folks, what's going on? It is Maria Hidos, and welcome to the 8th ever episode of Season 3 of the series. I just got done with the Simply Fly barbecue video. It is on my other camera. And now I'm currently on my way to park over here at the Air Traffic Control Tower. There's Simply Fly. We're leaving it right now. We got a full battery. We're going to do a little bit of plane spotting here at Aurora. Hopefully we can find some aircraft. And I'm going to make a J bathroom scene and try to make this video fun. Guys, we may have very little footage with this. I'm going to try to get some aircraft. So yeah, here we are. We're going to take a quick look at the phone. The weather is kind of chilly out here. I want to admit it's not really necessarily warm. So, oh, there is some aircraft out, which is good. So we're just going to park the car right here. Alright, and then here we go. So let's take a quick look at the iPhone 10. So here we go. Alright guys, I do have to use the washroom kind of bad. So I'm going to make this video sort of quick. So right now, current time is 5 o'clock. So I'm hoping to get done in the next 15-20 minutes with this spotting episode. So it's currently 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It's almost 70. It is pretty cold out here. It's been cloudy and gloomy today. So I assume there's not going to be too many aircraft out, guys, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to get a few aircraft. I did get lots of Instagram photos, okay, guys? So I'm going to make this video as quick as possible. I think I might leave my drawstring bag in here just because I'm just going to shoot with this camera the whole time. Okay. So like I said, the Simply Fly barbecue was great. For those of you that have not seen it, they're going to be be 2 separate YouTube videos, okay? There's a jet over there. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. But as we always start our spotting, we're going to go through all 3 flight schools, do the J bathroom scene, normal episode. If we miss the episode, guys, or the plane, I'm sorry. I'm hoping we don't, but we'll see what we can do. I already take pictures of these before. We don't need to do it again. But here is Luminaire Aviation. Their normal aircraft are over there, you know, good old stuff. There's Luminaire. And, guys, I'm going to actually go see if I can catch that jet. There's, like... Alright, guys, there is a jet coming, and I want to make sure that we can get him on video here. So, I wonder why there's, like... Yeah, there is a jet, guys. I don't know if it's leaving or taking off, or whatever. But, yeah. After that, we're gonna go check it out. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Hang on. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be right back in a minute. Okay, here we go. Alright. Peace. Watch my hands, guys. Open. Peppermint. Let's go. Oh, got a pilot. Okay. Guys, did you see that? That was awesome. Alright, guys. Where's that jet at? Did it leave? Alright, guys, we're gonna have to check this out. I'll do the peppermint scene in just a minute. I want to see what that noise is. It's still there. I did see a pilot inside the building, though. So I'm wondering if, like... Hold on, guys. Yeah, I can't believe this is oh, holy cow, look at those planes. I'm gonna have to take some Insta photos. Holy cow. Put the peppermint in my pocket for now. I don't want to lose it. I'm gonna have to take some Instagram shots here. This plane... Oh, my God. Holy, guys, I'm going to pause here. I'm going to take some photos. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are here. I wonder if this plane is going to take off or not. I guess we can wait and find out. But here's the current time in Chicago. It is 5:09. So it looks like we may be able to do the peppermint scene after that. I was hoping, or maybe I could do it now, I guess, because the plane isn't moving. Oh my god, where did the peppermint go? I think I lost it. Alright, let me open it. Alright, here we go. Of course, the best. Alright, guys, let's resume. I love this peppermint. Gotta do it in all the videos. Next flight lesson is supposed to be June 23rd, so less than 2 weeks. We have a flight lesson. We're gonna do a plane spotting episode as well. That will be in less than 2 weeks. I'll be back at this airport. My flight instructor seems pretty excited. So, that's pretty good. I did see him today at the party. Yeah, I don't know. I think this plane has to leave because I know that there's a pilot in there, guys. I saw a pilot when I was going to the bathroom. So there definitely has got to be a pilot. Sorry. You guys see this plane? Guys, I'm doing this for you guys on YouTube, okay? Because really my sinuses are getting very bad out here. I'm not feeling well. So what we're gonna do, guys, is instead of going on the other side of JA, we're gonna go to Simply Fly that way. I'm gonna show you guys the party. I'm sure that all of you have watched the barbecue. I think I'm gonna upload that video first. So I got a lot of YouTube video editing to do tonight. So post-production editing is gonna be long today. I'm like, oh my god. Because usually when the jet is being fueled up, guys, it usually has a flight. So I'm wondering, like, how long it's going to take. But, because I've been here, like, since, like, 10 in the morning. No, 11 in the morning, and I'm tired. I've never been at Aurora Airport all day like this. Or actually, the last time I was at this airport all day was, like, a year and a half ago. I haven't been here that long. Sorry, guys. Sorry, like I said, I didn't bring the other camera because of the stinking weather, but now it's starting to get a little bit better. Like, at least it didn't ruin our picnic. Alright guys, sorry about that. I just had to make a quick part. So yeah. What's the time right now? Gosh, do I have to take my iPhone out? Wow, I already got likes on Instagram. This is crazy. That's crazy. That's a cool plane. Some people in here. Oh, wow. Do you guys see these? I don't think I showed YouTube. I don't know what kind of planes those are, guys. That's the baggage. Can you guys see? This can't zoom in anymore. There's the baggage compartment. I'm gonna try my best to edit this video tonight, guys. It's a lot of editing to do. So I'm going to try to get these videos up by late tonight. Like, I usually stay up till 1 and 2 in the morning just because I'm trying to edit YouTube videos. So that's why I'm usually up at that hour. So yeah, plane's getting fueled up. Look where they get their fuel from, that pole. Whoa! Are you kidding me? Its tail number. I can't catch it. My eyes are starting to get watery. That's not good. Oh man, I'm almost done eating my peppermint. Yeah, I just gotta keep in mind that this camera only has 252 minutes left on it. Usually videos don't exceed that, but yeah. So they're getting ready to leave soon. My nose is like ready to run. Oh my god. You guys are so cool. Look at the pilot. He's doing a walk around. Get away, bug. Get away. I'm trying to make a video here. Usually pilots have to do the walk around, folks. Of the aircraft, they have to do walk around. Yep. Alright guys, they're about to close the door, so we're going to be quiet. We're going to cut here, and let's get on to a new part. That's it for now. Alright, we are back with another part, guys. I had to cut because my previous clip was running at 5 minutes, so I'm like, you know, there's the pilot finishing the last of the the go-around. I better try not to tape him too much because he may not like it. I don't think he really cares, but I'm like, sorry dude, it's part of my spotting episode. Sorry guys, this is the max zoom. I don't think, yeah, my camera cannot go in anymore. I'm really sorry. But there's the guy taking the chalks out. And my nose is just running like crazy. Pilot will shut the door. And this guy is going to guide him out of here. We may watch him take off. We'll have to see. But here we go. Oh, another plane just landed. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh la 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 la. Holy smokies! Holy smokies! Holy smokies! Bye! Alright guys, sorry, I just had to get that on video. Oh my god, I'm getting cold, I don't feel well. Alright guys, we're gonna make the Simply Fly walk fast. I'm gonna walk at a brisk pace, because I'm really not feeling well. Alright, here we go. Any minute now. Alright, here it goes. Oh man, that was a sneeze. That was gross. Okay. Oh man. I'm sorry guys, I got a really bad sneeze. I think the plane stopped all of a sudden. What the heck? Yeah guys, I'm really not feeling well at all. I'm getting sicker. Oh my god. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Should move any second now. Sorry guys, you should be leaving in a second. So I do apologize if this video part is boring. I want to get the full shot because I've had people complain. I've had people say, well, we want to see the full shot here of the plane, so I'm doing this for. Wow, this is really taking a long time. Oh shit. Shoot. My nose is just running so bad where I don't even have, like, tissue, and I don't mean to get nasty right now. Sorry, guys. This is disgusting. My nose is literally running. Oh my god. That's why I'm not turning the camera around. Alright. Sounds like the engines are just turned on. I wonder if that guy that directs him, like, I wonder if he, like, hears air traffic control or something. I don't know. Like, if he hears air traffic control, like, I don't know. And air traffic control tells him to move. I don't know, though. My hand is getting tired of filming, guys. It's giving up. What the heck? Listen to that. Whoa. This is hurting my ears already, and I'm not even close to the thing. Damn. Alright, here we go, guys. I had to cut my videos running at 8 minutes. Do you guys hear that loud noise? It was like that. That was so weird. I wonder if it just started its second engine. Alright, I think it might be moving now, folks. Let's take a look. It's disgusting. You guys don't need to see. Come on, Jet, let's go. My sinuses are getting bad. Alright, here we go. Protection. Holy cow. Oh my god. Turn volume down. Wow. That's loud. Are you kidding me? That's loud. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is loud. Oh my god. Whoa, rudder, did you see that? Whoa. Nice rudder test. Alright, here it goes, guys. It just turned on its lights. Here it goes. Wow! Where are you going? Oh my god, how is that thing maneuverable? Whoa! Sick! Sick! Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Guys, that thing was freaking loud. Are you kidding me? My ears are like, holy cow, I need protection out here, guys. That really got my ears. Jesus. Whoa! Do you guys want to see it take off? I guess I could wait. Oh my gosh. This is going to be crazy. Wow, guys, that really got my ears. Here it comes. Comes roaring down the runway. Here we go. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Stupid camera, why can't you zoom in? Come on, Jet. There it comes, guys. It's gonna take off now. It's airborne. Rotation speed. Whoa! Sweet! Wow! I got it. Did you guys hear that? That was awesome. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that takeoff. I had to wait 6 minutes for that. There it is, airborne jet. Now we're going to go walk to the flight school, Simply Fly. We're going to see what's going on over there. And then, oh, the Remos planes are going in. Oh. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that part. And now we're going to go see Simply Fly. And then we're going to end the episode. So, hope you enjoyed. This wind is just killing me, guys. This wind is killing me. Oh my god. I bet all the planes have been cleared. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. Sinuses are getting very bad. Oh god. Oh my god, I don't feel well, guys. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, you guys could probably, the microphone's picking up the wind. Oh god. Oh. And, whoa. Complete quietness, guys. Check this out. See? Nothing's going on. All the planes are gone. Flight instructors are gone. That's about it. There really isn't much to say with Simply Fly, guys. So, we're gonna go and do the outro video. Okay, guys. Sorry if I look disgusting. We're gonna do the outro video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this really short plane spotting video. Hold on, guys, because okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this plane spotting video. If you did, give me a thumbs up button. In about 2 weeks, June 23rd, we are supposed to fly, if weather allows. So we're gonna go in 2 weeks. I will see all of you then in another plane spotting episode. Maybe I can get a video of us flying with my instructor and stuff like that. So, I had a great day at Aurora Airport. So, to conclude this video, special thanks to Simply Fly for making this the best party ever. I really enjoyed it, even though I have a bad sinus infection. A special thanks to Luminary Aviation for letting me film their planes. Same thing with you, JA Flight Training, JA, and Simply Fly. All credits go to them in the end. So yeah, thank you, Aurora Airport, for letting me film your planes. I will see all of you in about 2 weeks, weather permitting. And hope all of you have a great week. Any non-aviation fans, stay tuned. We got a product unboxing coming up tomorrow, Tuesday or Wednesday. OtterBox for iPhone 10 is from Amazon is going to be here. So we're going to apply that to the phone, and we're going to be good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed the day. I'll see you all very soon in 2 weeks. Peace.
See your interesting color and then